Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix missing operating system. No boot device found or no bootable device is a common error that can occur when trying to start your Windows 10 computer. This message means that your computer could not find a healthy boot device. Restart the computer. When a computer is starting up, the user can access the boot menu by pressing one of the several keyboard keys. Common keys for accessing the boot menu are ESC, F2, F10 and F12, depending on your manufacturing on the computer or motherboard. Click System Configuration. Make sure your driver is visible. Clean the cable on your hard disk. If you have a pen drive attached to a laptop or desktop, remove it. Click Exit. Thanks for watching.